Okay everybody, in this video we want to focus on replace color and introduce it. The replace color offers interesting creative effects by allowing you to switch one set of colors for another, and it builds a mask using colors you select and then replaces unselected colors based on your choice. And you can adjust hue and saturation and lightness of your masked color. Okay, I've selected this part of the pants, and now I want to go to menu bar, adjustments, and use the replace color. I put the fuzziness to 200, select image, and if I change the hue, we can see what happens to my pants and saturation. And if I select any color, for example this color, I have a new palette for hue and saturation and lightness. I can increase the lightness and change the hue, and this is my bright pants, or I can decrease the lightness and change the hue for this color. That is very interesting and useful. And if I, for example, select this color, I have a new options for my hue and saturation and lightness. That was too easy. If I press OK and press Ctrl D, I have a new pants with a new color. And I don't need to add a color from other image, for example, just like that, to this pant. And based on my opinion, I can add my favorite color to my pants. At the last point, when you like the result, you can click OK to apply the setting. Okay, I will see you in the next lecture for learning apply image command.